Yes, this is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. Me have a king right now. And the man I go talk about the show and how him love it and s- him I go talk and tell the people. So I go and talk to me.
Randy, may I tell you, brother, you open up a new book for the whole of the island people, them, especially Jamaica. I see how far you take it. And I love it and respect it. You see me? Not day in the past, me no watch Good Life. The thing open up my mind, open up my heavens. The way Jamaica pretty, when you put the camera up on a piece of zinc, it coming like a piece of gold. You hear me? Me love the tradition where you're on right now. You need support, you know? Because if I can support Good Life, things will better in Jamaica. Because enough man have money. I mean, I see them do them something here. A big car and show off on some next people and thing. And you're a man from, you're Jamaican, but in New York, you say the idea. I mean, I tell you, if you do this a tradition, yeah, I just send up on the mission. Yeah. I will love it. Baltimore City now, watch it. I'm on this a youth name, George Johnson. Cause I'm not afraid to give out my name, cause I'm not hide from nobody. See, I come from Clarendon, Maple, one place named Farm. You see me? I'm a da Baltimore. And me say before me do some things, fi make me have to look over my shoulder. Me open a restaurant. One year I had now me restaurant around. It not very, very well, good. But give God thanks because the door no lock and we pay we rent every month. So good life right now. Me I pray for the eye, brother. And my brethren them I pray for the eye too, cause you hear me. What you do the normal. So me I say Randy,
Give thanks, give thanks. How long you watch it? How many hours per day you watch it?
I man watch it every day. If I even 3 episode, I man have to watch it every day, brother. Cause when time me I watch Good Life, it's like me dep on the plane and fly home. Me just put myself in a your position. Cause me I tell you, my brother, me die so and the thing no well easy, brother. Me under a little stress, but you don't know what happen. Me still have job power in me.
Mm-hmm.
So me nah bend down and all these things and turn my back for my country. I just I tell her Randy, I just through the paperwork, not gone through fully yet. Me no live at Jamaica every other 2 months. Me have to go on my yard. Can help my grandmother sweep up the yard. See me? Make sure she alright. My favorite sister Patricia wrote to me love to me heart. You understand what I say? My family. My father was a fireman in a Maypen, inspector. You see me? But through me a outside youth, me nah go beat him down neither. But the way him fi deal with me, it come like it couldn't happen. But me still love me old man to the bone. You hear me as a family?
You have family still in a Clarendon right now?
Yes, man. Me and my niece, man. And my little cousin them, man, and them thing cause just to help I and I, a peanut we used to sell, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The whole family used to sell peanut and it mine we for the years, it mine we used to tell Israel banana come in. And when I take a stock, a banana we have to eat for dinner and then things that. I mean, we alone.
Mm-hmm.
Israel banana, it do a lot of good things for Jamaican. Although we don't know what the fullness in it too. You understand what I say, my brother?
Mm-hmm.
But it help we out and there's a youth in the Maypen area there and me see how the place kind of rest. Cause from your youth, me did my football team is Humble Lion.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say? And me see how the thing we say. Either you take badness or you take goodness. Either you go in the politics or you go look work. You understand me? I mean, look on it whole thing and me say, all right, me take taxi for you know. So Mr. Youth used to run taxi in the Clarendon area and meet this lady named Blige, Carol Caesar, and it was a good vibes. She buy me a minibus and take it from there. We live lovely and nice and everything. So tell she said me's a good youth and she bring me come to Miami.
Mm-hmm.
But Randy, I the wrong move that me make, Randy.
Mm-hmm.
Although the tradition of me depend a Father God, but me saying to myself say I the wrongest move I make. Randy, me down Jamaica, you know. And me have me taxi, you know, and me have me minibus, you know. And me I live good, you know, with this foreign lady and everything, you know. All me fi do, Randy, I just stand in my country and I invest and build up my business. Me come to Miami, Randy, and I wrong move that for me come to Miami, me is a slave.
Mm.
Turn a slave. Stay in a house for almost 9 months. And them things they just a cook wash plate and all these things. And people at Jamaica, when you send $150, give them goes all long up their mouth and say, "Uncle, $50 you could have sent." But I pity them won't even know Randy.
Mm-mm.
You see me? I'm left from down there, Randy, and I meet a girl. And the girl came come to Baltimore. Her name is Candy,
Mm-hmm.
you know? And she deal with me good. She give me a youth in Miami. She's 13-year-old now.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we come to Baltimore, 11 years ago, they get another youth with them, which is she is 3-year-old right now.
Mm-hmm.
And me live on my yard, me and my wife and my pitney them. Right now, I'm in my car, I sit down in my restaurant, me head find around there and you call, you know. And me just say, yo, good life. It come like, to me, me I tell you, it come like a Luciana me I talk to. Come like a Cape Town them me I talk to. You
Respect.
understand me?
Wow.
Cause big and serious, all of the young entertainer them from Jamaica, and I respect them, but you don't know what their song, majority of their song, it doesn't stay long. It is like just like you just mix some lemonade and just drink it off. But when you listen back Luciana them and Cape it and them, it give you one different thing, brother. Them people they hold up Jamaica with a real song.
Yes. Yes.
I mean, love that.
Yes.
With that Jamaica, Clarendon, Cocotee, Everton, Blender them, the mighty Maytones, those are the people them where we really listen to. We give we a positive vibes.
Yes.
And I love that, brother.
Yes. Yes.
Right now, in 1963, me born in my general.
Mm-hmm.
So me a big man I talk to, you know, but me have a youth body. Jah preserve me. If you see me, you think me a young boy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You see me? And think, but as me I say, give thanks for life, cause this is Jamaica Good Life, and Randy I do a good thing, and me I ask the world to make we help Randy, that we help Randy and go through, and make him can show we more things, because enough Jamaican that are foreign, and then remember them yard. People are tell them all kind of things. People dead over the world, Randy. So I know see which way I should have turned Iman back on Iman country.
Mm-hmm.
Yet still I still respect America, because they do America here and it do good things for me. Because if you want America to do good things for you, you know, you have to move in a good way.
Yes, sir.
See, look at everything up here, when we say easy and reach. I'm vexed to see even my parish we talk about Randy, Clarendon, when me born down a Guinea tree, and them thing that I know how those places used to run. When Mr. Duro them and Mr. Bar them, you see me Lions Club, and we stand up and show them people they march on road and together, you know, and we always look and say, oh, the Chinese man them come and them are do good. A lot of black people have around at them back of them place I make flour and rap this and rap that. Randy, that are not my vibes.
Mm-hmm.
I respect them too, because what you know, I know I couldn't open up a supermarket because we don't have it. So if the Chinese man open up in place, we still have to respect it, but I want better than that. Me want better than that, because I can't rap flour for mind me you them.
Mm.
So me have to go out there, Randy, and me start run my taxi, and I write this, Randy, my sister right now, yo, having a business of your own is the best policy.